It's so dark in here.
Welcome to Galaxy Girls.
Hi guys.
Wait, still, why is it so dark?
I don't know. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
So my name is Lily.
And my name is Betsy.
Today we will be doing a blindfolded slime challenge.
I'm very, very, very excited.
No, I'm very, very, very excited.
No, I'm very, very,
I'm more excited. So let's get started.
Welcome to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome back. So like we said, we're going to be doing blindfolded slime challenge.
So we're gonna put these on later.
Yes. So we have bowls.
Yeah. We're gonna put the slime in here. Oh, okay. So yeah. So we're gonna be using these so we just
We have dye.
And we
have glitter. We have glue.
And we have some liquid starch and
and a little bit of activator.
Yeah, and this one is just like crayons.
We have crushed up crayons.
Yeah.
Which I do not want to put in mine really. And we have snipped
erasers.
And so yeah. I'm hoping I get this stuff instead of that.
I kind of want to get this, and I kind of want to get this because it's my favorite color.
Yeah. So
and then get blue.
I hope I get this or like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna put on our blindfolds, and do you want to pick first?
Sure. Yeah.
Since you're older. Okay, so we're gonna put our blindfolds on, and that's when the challenge starts. We're not allowed to look or do anything with them off. So pretty much we don't know anything else. Take it off.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I'm gonna get some glue. Well, yeah, you know what it is. So how do you open this? Will you open it? Okay. Come from my bowl. Okay, I'm gonna just pour in all my glue, I guess. Oh yeah, I can kind of see. Okay. I can't open it. Okay. I can't open this.
Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in.
See, you're upside down.
So good. I think I have a little bit left. Okay, I hope it's going down. So now our photographer has switched up the activator and the whatever the other thing's called. So I'm gonna pick first, and whichever one I pick is the one I have to use. Okay, you can stop moving. Wait, guys, hold on. I'm squeezing the glue. Cricket. Okay, wait. Let me pick. Wait. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know how much I'm supposed to. I got the activator. Oh, okay. I'll just use it like starch. How much am I supposed to use? I think it's okay now. So I'm just gonna be like. I'm scared. What if I put okay. Okay. I put a little bit in there. I'm just gonna start with my finger. Oh wait, I can already feel it. Ooh, okay. Oh boy, I'm gonna start it. Oh, mine is starting to. What are you doing? I already poured my liquid activator. No. Oh, okay. So like, I put my activator in there, but it's still kind of sticky. Yeah, we're still mixing. Yeah. Okay. So do you want to pick your dye color? Sure. Okay. Where's it? Over here. Okay. Pick yours and then I'll pick mine. Okay. I don't know what color I'm gonna get. I hope this is blue. I don't know blue. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in. Okay. So put some in. I hope this is blue. Like, I can't even like get it off my hand. Okay. I think that's enough. I'm just gonna try some. What's wrong? Slime everywhere. Oh, did you already put yours in? I'm trying to. Okay. I feel like I should put more. So I put 3 drops, I think. And yeah, I'm gonna need somebody to scoop. Okay, I think it's okay. I'm gonna need somebody to scoop. No, not that over. Stop. Okay, so now we're stirring it around. And ooh, it's so sticky. How was mine?
Okay, next we're gonna pick either the crayons or
The glitter.
I think it's or the eraser, but like once I pick, then I'll put it back and you can pick yours. So. I don't I got the crayons. Okay. I don't want these. I'll just put a little bit because I really don't want them. Okay. Now you can pick. Okay. The first one you pick is probably gonna be the crayons.
Wait, hold on, what happened? He just put all of them in my sign. I can't see it though. Do we have to put all of them in? No, I only put a couple and he put them all in there. That's all. Christian, you can't do that. Okay, now, what did you get? Did you get the, yeah, I got the eraser. Just pouring them all in there. Oh, wow. Okay, time to pick the glitter. You can go first. Okay. Oh, wait, no, it's your turn. Oh, you pick. What are you doing? I don't need it. Yeah, what? Christian! Oh my god! Okay, just pick. Okay, we both have, like, everything. Okay, so, I like both of them. Okay, I'm gonna choose. I can put that on the table. I don't actually. Did you pick yours? Yeah, I'm doing about the corner.
I'm gonna pick mine. I don't know which one. Okay. I'll just pick
I have a feeling you're
I
gonna
think I
choose.
knocked it over.
I have a feeling you're gonna have mine.
Okay, wait. That's enough, I think. No, not for. Oh, my shirt. This is not my shirt. I really don't want a lot. That's Betsy's nail thing. Did you put it in yet? Yeah, I did. Okay. So now, okay. So I think I can take our blindfolds off now. Do you like? Oh my gosh. Okay. This is not.
I think we have to put more liquid starch.
Well,
Because it's gonna be not sticky if we don't.
yeah, we need to like. Thank you so much for our behind the camera man pouring all the stuff in.
So this is mine. Christian, what are you doing?
Christian.
Okay, this is mine. And hers is like
This
a
is
blue color.
mine.
Okay, guys, comment below which one you guys like. Mine
Yeah.
or Lily's?
Mine has crayons in it, but it doesn't stick to the board.
I don't see the erasers.
It does not pass the slime test at all.
Do you know?
It cannot make bubbles.
Oh, look, you
It
can see the
sticks to
eraser.
your hands. So like,
Yes, it can.
yours looks like
He put some crayons in there.
yours looks like a peppermint kind of.
Oh, Betsyy used all her erasers.
Pause.
You put it on.
Okay, so we are going. I don't exactly know the slime test. It's like if you can make bubbles, how stretchy it is,
Oh yeah.
and like how sticky it is to your hand or something like that. So do you know how to make a bubble? I'm horrible at making bubbles. So like it's pretty stretchy. So
Yeah. Mine
yeah,
is,
it's stretchy.
like mine is. Oh my. Okay. It's like erase.
They're the crayons.
Those are the erasers.
It's pretty good. We added
Yeah.
a little bit more activator at the end, but not much because we wanted it to be like how we did it.
But apparently I put a lot of like. Starch.
Yeah, we watched the video over again, and if you
Yeah.
look closely, when she was pouring in her thing, her liquid starch, she may have poured a little too much. So that's the only part when we went and dumped some of that out. But that's the only time we took our vaccine.
Yeah.
That we looked
So-
about how to do stuff. Okay.
Which
Okay,
one?
so you do your bubble.
Okay.
You just stretch it out. Here's some close-up action. Here we go.
I hope you guys like mine because you know it's green.
So yeah. But like mine's very, very, very. So I'd probably give mine like a 2. I cannot make bubbles with it.
No, I think I would give you like a
5. Yeah, 5.
No, 7.
7.
I like the color though. Like,
Okay,
But mine-
it looks good. I guess. Yeah, except
but my green one, I don't know.
I like yours. They're both good. So
Yeah.
I'd probably give us both a 6. 6.
Yeah, 6.
6 or 6.5, I guess. Since it doesn't do bubbles. But yes.
Make sure you guys comment below which one you guys like.
And
Betsy's
if you have any better ideas for this,
You can comment below.
you can find pretty much all of these things except for maybe this activator in your house, pretty much. So the erasers, probably any kid that's in school, you will find them. And
The glitter, you guys can probably like. find
yeah,
it.
like
A walnut,
if you have a
maybe?
sister
Yeah.
or craft or anything, it's glitter. And face masks. You might not have these, but you know, there's an idea. If you have a face mask, which you probably do, Put that over your eyes. It'll work. So yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the
Like button.
like button with your thumb, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.